When you search for robotic pool cleaners, everything looks the same. Same features, same promises, and honestly, it can feel overwhelming. But to find one that truly works and meets your needs, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Ocaxia C5 Robotic Cleaner. The Ocaxia C5 caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, especially considering it's priced at $169.99. If you want a hassle-free cleaning experience for your pool, this is worth a serious look. Here's what stands out. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 2,200 square feet, making it super versatile. The strong dual suction system means it effectively captures leaves, dirt, and even fine debris. Plus, with a runtime of 180 minutes, this cleaner won't leave you hanging mid-cycle. That's important because you want a cleaner that can cover your entire pool without needing a recharge. It also has a large 2.7-liter debris basket, which means less frequent emptying, perfect for those heavy leaf seasons. Now, some users mentioned it can struggle a bit with inclined surfaces, which can be a concern for uneven pool floors. But here's the thing, if your pool is mostly flat, that shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-fuss cleaning solution. Skip this one if you have a very steep pool, but for $169.99, it's a solid investment for most homeowners. Now, if the C5's limitations on inclines bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Red Road Cordless Cleaner. The Red Road Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner comes in at $159.99. And honestly, I was intrigued by its promise of powerful suction and self-parking features. If you're looking for something lightweight yet effective, this is a strong contender. This cleaner runs for an impressive 150 minutes on a single charge, covering pools up to 1,200 square feet. Its dual suction inlets mean it captures debris efficiently, saving you time and effort. The smart navigation lets it clean in a zigzag pattern, which reduces mist spots and speeds up the overall cleaning process. And the self-parking feature? That's a game changer. No more getting wet to retrieve your cleaner. However, I did see some comments about the battery life during heavy cleaning sessions not being up to par. But honestly, for most casual pool owners, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you have a larger pool, as it might not cover everything in one go. At $159.99, it offers great value for those needing a reliable pool cleaner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep cleaning.
Product number 3, Ybot C1 Robotic Cleaner. We have the Ybot C1 priced at $429.88. This robotic pool cleaner caught my attention with its smart self-learning navigation and powerful suction capabilities. If you want a cleaner that really optimizes its cleaning path, this is definitely worth considering. Equipped with a pump motor that delivers 3,308 GPH of suction, it tackles everything from leaves to fine algae with ease. It's designed for in-ground pools and has the ability to climb slopes up to 45 degrees, which is impressive. Plus, the app control means you can schedule cleaning cycles, keeping your pool maintenance on autopilot. This is particularly nice for busy homeowners. But I'll be real with you, some users found the setup to be a bit complex for first-time owners. However, once you get it going, it's a fantastic performer. This is perfect for you if you want a smart cleaner that requires minimal hands-on maintenance. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward plug-and-play option. At nearly $430, it's an investment, but for tech-savvy users, it's worth it. Now, if you're looking for something still advanced but a bit more budget-friendly, let's check out the next model.
Product number 4, Ledex Pool C1 Cleaner. The Ledex Pool C1, which sells for $299.98. This cleaner impressed me with its versatility and wall climbing capabilities. If you want something that cleans all areas of your pool, you should take a closer look. With 7 customizable cleaning modes, it adapts beautifully to different pool shapes and sizes, covering everything from floors to walls and water lines. The triple motors deliver powerful suction, making it effective even for larger pools up to 1,615 square feet. Plus, the smart app control allows you to manage cleaning sessions effortlessly from your phone. However, some reviews mentioned issues with the battery not lasting as long as expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it regularly, you shouldn't run into major problems. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one cleaner that gives you the flexibility to control it from your device. Skip this one if you have a very small pool, as it might be overkill. At just under $300, it's a worthwhile investment for many homeowners.
Finally, let's look at a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Ultenic S110 Cleaner. Last but not least is the Ultenic S110, priced at $143.99. I was genuinely surprised by how much value this compact cleaner offers for the price. If you need something portable and easy to use, this one is definitely worth your attention. It has dual motor suction that delivers up to 50 GPM, making it effective for cleaning stubborn debris like leaves and sand. With a runtime of 90 minutes, it can cover up to 850 square feet on a single charge, which is decent for smaller pools. The lightweight design and auto parking feature make retrieval a breeze. However, a few reviews pointed out that it might struggle with larger debris, especially if your pool has a lot of foliage around. But honestly, for smaller or regularly maintained pools, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and user-friendly cleaner that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you have a large pool with lots of debris, as it might not be powerful enough. For under $150, it's an excellent choice for budget-conscious pool owners. So, to wrap it all up, the Okayak C5 is great for everyday use. The Red Road offers lightweight convenience. The Ybot C1 stands out for tech-savvy users. The Letix Pool C1 is versatile with app control. And the Ultenic S110 is perfect for budget-friendly options. Each has its strengths depending on your pool maintenance needs, so consider what features matter most to you.